Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to schedule GMAT exam easy method. Start by creating or logging into your MBA. Account and verify your personal details. Next, select whether you will test at a center or online, then pick a date that gives you enough study time and meets application deadlines. Keep your ID ready and confirm payment details to lock in the appointment smoothly and confidently. Begin by choosing the format that fits your needs and schedule, either at a test center or at home with the online GMAT. If you pick online testing, verify your computer, camera, and room meet the requirements and run any system checks. For in-person testing, look at nearby centers, available time slots, and commute time. Confirm the format early so you can tailor practice sessions to the exact testing environment and feel prepared. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more students find useful test tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for sore feet during long study marathons. Try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability, perfect for long library sessions or test day nerves. I've linked more info and deals in the description, so check that out. Then get comfy, and now let's get back to the video. After choosing your date, reserve the slot and complete payment details carefully, checking for any extra fees or restrictions. Review cancellation and reschedule policies so you understand deadlines and potential costs. Print or save the confirmation email and double-check the test center address or online test instructions. Set reminders for your appointment and plan travel or tech setup to avoid last-minute issues, ensuring a calm and focused test day experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.